The main focus of workout 15 in the Active Start program is both aerobic conditioning and muscular strengthening. You should expect this workout to take roughly 31 minutes. In terms of equipment, the first block is programmed for a bike. However, if you don't have access to a bike, you could use whatever piece of equipment you do have access to, for example, an elliptical, a treadmill. If you don't have access to any equipment, you could, of course, use a set of stairs or perform this protocol outside running or walking. For the second block, for the squat to press, you will need some sort of external resistance. This could be a barbell, dumbbells, kettlebells, or really any implement that could be used safely and afford the appropriate resistance. So get creative. The target intensity for this workout is moderate. So you should be working at an RPE of between 6 and 7. Please refer to our RPE instructional video for more information on RPE. Some tips to consider to be successful are as follows. In the first block, you have to perform 90 seconds of work at a moderate RPE, followed immediately by 30 seconds of work at a low RPE, and repeating this sequence across 8 rounds. Whatever modality you do choose, you have to make sure that you adjust your intensity accordingly across the rounds to make sure that 90 seconds of work and 30 seconds of work respectively are able to be maintained. As you move across the rounds, you might accrue some amount of fatigue. So an intensity that in earlier rounds elicited a moderate RPE might now start to get harder. So you just need to use your judgment and ensure that you're actively changing the intensity based upon where your RPE is across the workout. In the second block for the squat to press, you have to complete 100 total reps, and you can use as many rounds as needed to complete that 100 total reps. Again, in this case, you have to make sure that your RPE is moderate. So for this particular workout, a combination of the external load that you choose and the amount of reps that you choose to sequence in one round will influence your RPE. So just be mindful that across the 100 reps, you perhaps might have to lower the resistance that you choose, or be strategic with the resistance that you choose at the beginning, so you can perhaps use the same resistance across 100 reps. Whatever the case is, you must complete the 100 reps. So ensure that you're adapting rest between rounds and your external load to complete the 100 reps for this workout. We hope you enjoy this workout.